Hello everyone, this is Joe. We now in UAZ to do the technical service for our clients at the network cable production line. This is the production line that we are now installation wheel, and they were going to start to work at these few days.
Industry, telecommunication wire industry, and metal industry. Based on our corporate philosophy, Fahad Cables, we will go beyond simply generating profits to develop forward-thinking competencies by innovating our business models, developing environment-friendly, high-quality products, and reinforcing our partnerships with stakeholders as the best partner that will maximize customer values. We will open a brighter future by innovating and investing in